you. Okay, Alistair, that was awesome. Right, so our next stop is Jantar Mantar. Let's go and take a look.
What Jantar Mantar means again?
Jantar Mantar. Okay, good question. So Jantar, it comes from yantra, Sanskrit word meaning instrument, and mantra is a calculation.
Measurement.
Exactly. So these are instruments of calculation. This is the big science project of the early 18th century.
The iPhone of the 18th century.
Yes. So like you can use your phone to find the stars and their positions, and you can tell the time. This is one of the largest sundials in the world, and it's accurate to 2 seconds. That's not bad.
That's crazy.
Yeah. It points up towards the North Star. So if you go up that ramp, up that staircase, you will be finding 28.61 degrees, which is the latitude of Delhi, and that is where the North Pole will be. So at night time, all the stars revolve around here. Very stunning, and actually it really aligns you with the heavens.
So really Delhi's the centre of the universe.
Delhi is the centre of the universe from the perspective of someone standing in Delhi. Yes, you are right. And geopolitically, potentially in the 21st century, we may end up finding that this is the centre of the universe again. But these instruments were used by scientists, by astrologers. They were used to predict the shortest and longest days. The Mishra Yantra at the back there was used to calculate that. And the sundial was not just for time, but you can also measure the movements of the planets and the stars. And all of that involves incredible calculation and fantastic observational skills.